Here are 3 key things you should be looking for in a lawyer for your case, whether it's an injury case, employment case, or just about any other type of civil case. Number 1, expertise. You want the lawyer who will be working on your case to have an advanced knowledge of the area of law to which your case belongs. Ideally, that lawyer should be specializing and claiming to specialize in 1, 2, or maximum 3 areas of law. There is just no way that an attorney who specializes or who claims to specialize in tax law, immigration law, real estate, employment, injury, and bankruptcy, there's just no way that he knows enough about all of those areas of law or any of those areas of law. So if somebody says, or if somebody puts on their website that they practice every type of law under the sun, this generally should be a red flag, because the best lawyers out there, the most experienced lawyers out there, know that specialization is very important, and in order to be effective and really good at what you do, you can only specialize in 3 or so areas of law. So make sure that the attorney that you're about to retain for your case does not specialize in too many areas of law, especially if your case is a little bit more complicated and it's likely to be more contentious. Number 2, responsiveness. Everybody is busy. The lawyers are busy, the courts are busy, even the clients are busy. Everybody should understand that. But if it takes you weeks to get an email response from your lawyer, if it's a struggle to get him on the phone when you have an important question because you just keep leaving messages, or you run into a secretary or a receptionist, if this happens early on when you just started working together or before you even retain that attorney, it's not a good sign, especially if your case is likely to last for a while, for a year or even longer. That obstacle in communication is going to become more and more frustrating to you, and it will affect the outcome of your case. It doesn't matter how good the lawyer is. If you're unable to get a hold of him, if you are unable to communicate effectively with him, it's not going to be a good situation for you and for your case. And the third point that I would like to make is very simple, very obvious, but also is very important. Make sure that the lawyer that you're about to start working with on your case is someone you like, someone who has an appeal to you as a person, or at least someone who you don't dislike. If your impression of a lawyer who you met for a consultation, who spoke on the phone, is of someone who is arrogant, who thinks that he knows it all, who doesn't give you the time to explain your case and your situation, or someone who just dismisses you by telling you what's right and what's wrong without taking the time to explain when you ask them, maybe it's not the right person for you to work with. Remember, if you have a case that goes to arbitration or goes to court, it's a relationship. You're going to have a relationship with your attorney. You're going to speak many times, you're going to exchange emails, many emails, and you're going to meet more than twice and more than 3 times, even if your case settles relatively early. It's important that you like the lawyer that you work with. It's important for your relationship, and it also is important for the outcome of your case, especially if you have to prepare for trial. So keep these 3 points in mind when deciding which attorney to hire for your case, and it should be very helpful to you in making sure that you make the right choice. Thank you.